Okay, bye guys. Back to you again. On my other account, and as you can see, I don't have as much friends as I have on my T Savage Junior account. Um, I'm gonna go on Legendary Football. Show you guys, see if you guys like it or not. See what's going on. Legendary Football today. Turn down that volume so man don't get loud. Mad, mad, mad. The computer gets loud. That's what I meant. So yeah. Sometimes it just does that. I don't know why. It just like keeps you out. Takes a while to load. It'll just take a second. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, this music though. I like this. So as you can see, I'm like catching like almost everything. Um, yeah. Just got a TD already, and I just got into the game, and well, fourth quarter already. Because I did not get in the server that just started the game. Sorry about that, but that don't matter. Still show you how this game works. And besides, I don't think we'd have time for like a full game anyway, because these games are like really long, and I don't think you guys would want to watch it for that long. So we could like finish this quarter, and then I guess I can stop with that. So I'm gonna be guarding this Dilshan guy. Okay, and as you can see, he got swatted. Oh, actually, I'm gonna guard my friend Surveys. He's pretty good. And somehow he got that over me. I don't know how. I got it. He got it somehow while I was on him. I don't know how I missed that. That was like wow. Good job, Surveys. As you can see, I jumped a bit early, so that's probably why I didn't catch it. If you ask why, but yeah. Now I'm gonna try to like block this. Yep, got it. Now let me try to get it before my teammate does, because I wanna run it. Yep, that's fine. Time for some ankles. Ooh, ankles times. Tell your ankles to rest in peace, dude. I like this Juice Man guy. He always passes to me. And besides, I like always catch it, so. Come on over here, my man. Oh. Just waiting for him to like. Oh, okay. So let me put that up. Go like boom and shabam. Wait, what? Told him to sit because, like, you seen how let's see, watch, come out of nowhere, the friggin' Spider-Man thing, pew. Oh yeah, watch, go like fling, sit down. All right, surveys, I got you, man. You're not getting the ball, okay? Let me just tell you that. Or you might be, I don't know, just saying. Alright, can you hurry up and throw the ball, man? Hurry up, man. I lagged, so I just put in the comments, whatever, chat. I'm pretty sure that we lost, but I think we're gonna lose, but that's alright. I might make another video for you when I would actually win. Don't pass to me. Corner. As you can see, it has mossed him. Let's try to get it, but I mean, let's get him. Crap. They made him sit though. But all that matters. Let's try to get surveys. Surveys, you're not getting it. I command you not to get it. Or you'll make me cry like a baby. I'm just kidding, I never do that. Surveys, prepare to get mauled. That was so bad. DDD, yeah, what's up, DDD? Made him sit down. We want surveys. Yeah. How? Surveys, I'm gonna kill you. Die, die. Okay, there we go. Kill them. I'm just kidding, I can't kill in this game. I wish you could. But anyway. Oh yeah, give me that. And I got that. Need a couple more plays. Come on. I did that on purpose because, well, the game's already over, so what's the point? As you can see, somebody called me an idiot, so I have to say you are. Why? What? No! Look, the score! No, why? 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 Why do we have to lose? Ha ha ha. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.